All right. So, our next slide. Yeah. So first of all, what's a really good example of an LLM hallucination? Okay. So if you put this into GPT 3.5, hey, did Will Smith hit anyone? The answer came back no, and of course we know what happens. Now, I did try this on 4.0 today just to see, because I know somebody's going to do that on their phone. Yes, it does have the right answer nowadays, but the idea is, what is it that's going to come out of your LLM that's wrong? Okay, and we're going to talk a lot more about that. And so why do LLMs hallucinate? Effectively, you can think of a very large amount of compression. So as you're aware, LLMs are trained on trillions of words or tokens, and they only come back as maybe 1 billion parameters or so. So effectively, you've got 1,000x compression, where according to some theories, the most you can compress is the 3x or 5x times before you start losing information. So effectively, there's nothing but opportunity for the LLM to basically make up things along the way or hallucinate. So there's been a very public failure in generative AI if you haven't seen it. So Air Canada has a AI chatbot, which I'm sure has been fixed. But at the time, it incorrectly told one of the customers that they could file for a refund on a bereavement fare. And that turned out not to be true. And being unhappy about that, this particular customer sued Air Canada and won. And so effectively, we already have an instance here where public companies are being held accountable for the outcomes of their LLM. So I like to call this our scare slide.